everyone, how are you? It's Leah Coss with the Mortgage Center. And I wanted to answer this question because a lot of you actually don't even know that this happens. But say, for example, you want to buy a single detached home. And so you get approved for a single detached home. Maybe you even ask your broker to come up with a scenario for if there was a basement suite that you could rent out. And then you get approved for that. But then you find that the amount that you are approved for a single detached home, it's just not buying you what you want to get. The homes out there maybe are more pricier than what you thought, and so on and so forth. So you decide, well, let's take that same amount of money that they approved me for the single detached home, and let's go and buy a townhouse instead. Surely we'll qualify for that. Well, not the case. The thing is with any kind of townhouse or condo, you have something called Strata Fees, and those are monthly fees that you have to pay without fail every month. It's a mandatory payment. And those can range anywhere from, depending on the age and dynamics of that property, can be anywhere from $75 a month to $500 a month and even more. But on average, I'll say around $200 a month. Now, with you having to pay for that extra $200 a month, that's like having a $200 a month car payment or a $200 a month credit card payment. It's another debt. So that means that maybe before you could have qualified for $1,500 a month to put towards your mortgage, but now with this $200 that you're having to pay, now you can only qualify for $1,300. That is going to significantly reduce the size of the mortgage that you can afford. So just because you're buying something that is perceived as, downgrading, getting into a condo or getting into a townhouse, you can actually qualify for less than if you went for a single family home. The reason that people are getting into condos and townhouses is simply because for the amount of dollars that you put in, you are getting a nicer place compared to a single detached place where you've got your own yard and you actually physically own land. But it's important to note, when you talk to your broker, if you aren't sure if you're totally open to a condo or a townhouse or a single detached home or a rental helper, like with a home with a basement suite, ask them to pre-approve you for all of those different scenarios. Also, keep in mind though, we're having to hypothetically guess what are your property taxes going to be on that property, as well what rental income would you be collecting for the basement suite, as well as hypothetically guessing what the strata amount is that you'd be paying every month. So when you find the home, feel welcome to ask your broker, what are your qualifying guidelines? Have you estimated $200 a month for strata? So if I find a place that actually only has $100 a month for strata fees, does that mean I can qualify for more? Those are all important questions to ask. So be clear as to what is your pre-approval and what is that pre-approval based on. What variables are being used. So if you have any questions about this or if you want to get pre-approved, I'd be more than happy to help you out. Leah Coss with the Mortgage Center. And I guess that's about it. I'm always welcome or happy to do multiple pre-approvals for you. So hopefully I'll be talking to you soon. Give me a call.